Welcome to the Department of Chemistry. Myself, Professor Vishalakshi, the chairperson of the department, and I consider it as my special privilege to provide some information about this department. This department was started in the year 1981, and during the last 34 years, it has made significant progress. It's now considered as one of the major departments of the campus. Let me just give you a brief history of the department. In 1981, the department offered only one MSc course in chemistry with an intake of 12 students, which is now enhanced to 46. In the year 1996, MSc Applied Chemistry course was started with an intake of 16, which has been enhanced to 32 at present. In 2007, the MSc Organic Chemistry course was started with an intake of 32 students, which is now enhanced to 42, and we also have 10 extra seats in each course. We also have a PhD program which started with 2 PhD students in the year 1984, and at present we have about 65 research scholars working for their doctorate degree in chemistry in this department. It's a major department in terms of student strength, the number of MSc and PhD students getting their degrees and the research output, but I should say that we have a small number of faculty members. We have 5 professors. Professor J. Ishwara Bhatt, Professor Balakrishna Kalluraya, myself, Professor Vishalakshi, Professor B. Narayana, Professor Boja Pujari, and out of 5 professors, Professor B. Narayana is as Registrar Evaluation of Mangalore University. He is on deputation, and we also have 3 associate professors, Dr. Suresh P. Nayak, Dr. Jagdish Prasad D, and Dr. G. K. Nagaraj, and we have an assistant professor, Dr. M. R. Madani. We also have a few guest faculty members to share the workload of this department. We are supported by a strong team of non-teaching staff comprising of the clerk, cum typist, a storekeeper, 3 lab assistants, 3 attenders, a peon. At this point, let me gratefully acknowledge the supreme contributions of the former faculty members of this department to the progress of this department. Late Professor M. R. Gajendragad was the founder chairman of this department. He later served as Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kuvempu University. Professor B. Shivaram Holla was a professor in the organic chemistry section, and he has contributed a lot to the teaching and research in organic chemistry. The research in the field of heterocyclic chemistry, I should say, was initiated by him in this department, and the research in this field has flourished over the years in this department. The major research publications from this department are in the field of heterocyclic chemistry, and Professor B. Shivaram Holla is presently the coordinator of the PG program at SDM College, Ujre. Professor B. Thimmegowda was a professor in physical chemistry section of this department, and he has laid a strong foundation to teaching and research in physical chemistry at this department, and he is presently the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University. And Professor A. M. A. Khadar as a professor of inorganic chemistry, and he was a great teacher admired by most of his students. This department is supported by DST FIST and UGC SAP programs. We received about 42 lakhs from DST and 37 lakhs from UGC under phase 1 and 75 lakhs under phase 2 of SAP program. And we have a UV visible spectrophotometer, GCMS, a CHN analyzer, along with other minor equipments for research and MSc courses in this department. We have 5 gold medals instituted in the Department of Chemistry to be awarded to the toppers of various MSc courses. 4 have been instituted in the names of the former faculty members of this department, namely Professor M. R. Gajendragad, Professor B. Shivaram Holla, Professor B. Thimmegowda, and Professor A. M. A. Khadar. One of the strong points of this department is that many of the reputed companies regularly visit this department for campus interview. Companies like Apotex, Syngene International, Anthem Biosciences, Aron Universal, BASF have recruited our students through campus interviews in their reputed companies. Our students are absorbed in various institutions as scientists, faculty members, and some of the alumni members have started their own companies. We have started a chemistry alumni association in the year 2008, and we are really proud of all our former students, and I assure that the students who join this department have a bright future. I welcome all the newcomers to this department. Thank you.